Students, welcome to your new learning. Now we are going to discuss about derivations like leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. Leftmost derivation is nothing but we need to replace leftmost non-terminal symbol to a terminal symbol, B to a terminal symbol like B. And rightmost derivation is nothing but we need to replace rightmost non-terminal symbol to a terminal symbol. Okay. Now let us see the given grammar is S gives rise to AB, BA, A gives rise to A, AS, BAA, and B gives rise to B, BS, and ABB. We need to generate a string by using leftmost and rightmost derivation. The given string is ABB, AAB. We need to generate the string by using leftmost and rightmost derivation. First one is leftmost derivation. Let us take S gives rise to A and B. Okay, we know that B gives rise to B and S. Next one is B na, so B and S. S gives rise to A, B and S. And now we need to generate again B, and here is S gives rise to B and A. So we need to replace S with B and A. S gives rise to A, B, B, A. Okay. Now here is A. So A is replaced with, here next one is A now. So we need to replace A with AS or BA, but we need only A. So A is replaced with A and S. So S is S, A, B, B, A and S. So yes, S gives rise to, we need A. So AB, A, B. So S gives rise to A, B, B, A, B. Now we need B, only B. So B gives rise to B now. B gives rise to B. So S gives rise to A, B, 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 A, B. So this is required string. Okay, this is accepted. Now let us see. Second one is rightmost derivation. Rightmost derivation is nothing but we need to replace rightmost non-terminal symbol to a terminal symbol. Let us see. Let us take S gives rise to A, B. So B is replaced with B and S. So S gives rise to A, B and S. We need again BA. So S is replaced with B and A. S gives rise to A, B, B and A. So we need to replace A. A gives rise to A and S. S gives rise to A, B, B, A and S. So again S is replaced. S is replaced with A and B. S gives rise to A, B, B, A and B. Again B is replaced with B. S gives rise to A, B, B, A, B. This is required string A, B, B, A. But here we are getting same in left and rightmost derivation. Let us see another example. Okay, let us take another example. Example 2. E gives rise to D and E plus E minus E into E or E and D gives rise to 0, 1, 2, so on up to 9. Okay, we need to generate the string is 1 plus 2 into 3. String we need to generate the string is 1 plus 2 into 3. Let us see. First one is leftmost derivation. Let us take E gives rise to E plus E. We need 1 plus 2 now, so 1 plus 2. We need to replace this E with another terminal. We know that E gives rise to D, this one. So E is replaced with D plus E. Again D. D is replaced with 1. So 1 plus E. This E is replaced with D. No, this one. This E is replaced with E into E. So here 2 into 3 is there now. E into E. Now E plus 1 plus E into E. So this E is replaced with E gives rise to D. Now this one is 1 plus D into E. We already know that D gives rise to 2. E gives rise to 1 plus 2 into E. Now this E is replaced with E gives rise to D. Now E gives rise to 1 plus 2 into E, D. We know that D is 1, 2, 3, so on. So D is replaced with 3. E gives rise to 1 plus 2 into 3. 3. This is required string. This is accepted. Now let us see rightmost derivation. Most derivation. Let us take E gives rise to E into E. Because 2 into 3 is there now, we need to replace rightmost this terminal. Now we know that E gives rise to D. That is rightmost derivation is E into D. We know that D is 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is replaced with E into 3. Now we need to replace this one E. We know that E gives rise to E plus E. So this e is replaced with e plus e into 3. Now we need to replace this one. E gives rise to d now, so e plus d into 3. We know that d gives rise to 2, so e plus 2 into 3. We know that e gives rise to d, that is d plus 2 into 3. We know that d gives rise to 1 now, so d is replaced with 1. 1 plus 2 into 3, rightmost derivation. This is required string. This most derivation also accepted. So from these two problems we are getting different derivations now. In first example we get same derivations, but here different derivations. Okay, this is very easy and important question. Please practice it. When you practice, it is very easy. Okay, and in theory exams also it is very important. Don't forget to practice this question. And thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.